What's up, guys? This is our brand new 2020 Transit with nothing in it. And in the next shot, you're going to see how we provide you with shelving units, a partition, and other ways to store items in your Transit so that way you can get the job done a lot easier without searching for parts. Hey guys, how you doing? Glad you can make it today. I get to show you what we have equipped in this Transit van. If you want to make sure that you can keep your stuff separated from you, you get one of these partitions here. Fully built, very strong, and built to the frame of the inside of the vehicle. We have shelves if you need to put anything that you have, anything. We built that. They're secured to the wall. They're not going anywhere. We have small bins here that you can obviously put nice little connector parts or anything else that you have for the job for the day. We have a nice little drawer. If you have any tools of anything, safely put them in here. As well as we have spatial dividers so that way we could keep products separate for any occasion. A nice refrigerant rack so that if that's the kind of work you do, we keep your bottles safe, strapped, and secure. Come down to Short Customs and let's see how we can work your van to make it work for you.